I just don't understand. I mean, this is a blatantly obvious meme. It's satire, for crying out loud. You'd have to be on the internet for, I don't know, less than 5 minutes to not get it's a joke. But yet, how? How did this Mike guy, how did he let it get over his head? Maybe he's really new. Yeah, maybe he's really new to the internet. Especially with a first name bunch of numbers username like that. Or is he? Maybe he's a troll? No, surely not. I mean, come on. He's got a damn default profile picture. This man, he had to have fallen for this joke. Okay. If I just tell him he missed the joke, it'll help him. He'll learn from this and he'll get better adjusted to the internet. Yeah, that's right. I'll say something to him. Okay. And send. All right. You did the right thing. You did the... Oh, a notification. That was fast. Why did someone reply to me so fast? Let's see what he said. Get mic'd.